Hello students. Today we will discuss about different parts of brain, that is cerebrum, cerebellum and medulla. So first I will start with cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. So cerebrum is the largest part of the brain, and the cerebrum, it is divided into two halves, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. So the cerebrum is divided into two parts, left hemisphere and right hemisphere. And this cerebrum, it is further divided into four different lobes. So the four different lobes are frontal lobe, this one is frontal lobe, parietal lobe, this one is parietal lobe, occipital lobe, this one is occipital lobe, and temporal lobe. This region is the temporal lobe. So the cerebellum is divided into four different lobes: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe and temporal lobe. Now what are the functions cerebrum does? So it helps us to think, it controls the intelligence, learning, judgment, then the speech and memory, that is it stores the information and help us to remember. It controls the sensory organs also of hearing, vision, taste and smell. It controls our voice and it helps in understanding different languages. It also controls the movement of our body. So the cerebrum, it does all this function in the body. So this whole part is our cerebrum. The next part of the brain is cerebellum. So cerebellum is present just below the cerebrum. Below the cerebrum, cerebellum is present, and it is smaller in size as compared to cerebrum. It is also called as small brain. The cerebellum is also called as small brain. Now what function it does? It coordinates the movement of various muscles and helps balance our body. So it coordinates the function of various muscles and helps to balance our body also. So if it does not function properly, if the cerebellum would have not functioned properly, we have faced problem while maintaining the balance, like walking, running and cycling. So it maintains the balance of our body. Because of this only we are able to walk, run and do cycling. We are able to maintain the balance in our body. The third part of our brain is the medulla or brain stem. We also call it as brain stem, since it looks like a stem, isn't it? So medulla is the lower part of the brain and it is connected to the spinal cord. So this medulla is connected to the spinal cord. Here the spinal cord will be present. So medulla, it will connect to the spinal cord, and here it is connected to the brain. It controls activities. It controls activities like breathing, heartbeat, blood circulation, digestion and blood pressure and swallowing. So all these activities are controlled by the medulla or the brainstem. So we can say that medulla is in charge of all the automated functions of our body. Automated functions which occurs by its own. We don't have to regulate it, right? So automated functions like heartbeat, heart rate. We are not controlling our heart rate. It will move on, it will do its function continuously, right? Breathing, we are not controlling it. We unknowingly we will breathe only. We keep on breathing. Then the blood pressure, swallowing, then digestion also it's controlled by this medulla. So all these functions are controlled by medulla. So these were the three parts of our brain and their specific function that they perform.